another great addition to our little Duet collection. This is a wonderful book. It's really filled with gems. I'm really liking this. Guys, I'm going to upload the MP3s for both Violin 1 and Violin 2, two separate files, so you can practice with the backing, and the PDF, of course, of this Duet. So I hope to see you on Patreon. Everything will be only on Patreon. It's a very small fee, but you get access to a lot of stuff. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support. Oh, and you can cancel anytime. So, pretty good deal, I think. Thanks a lot. See you on Patreon. Thanks.